In this video, we're going to talk about how to respond to a CP14 notice. So the CP14 notice is the IRS's way of saying, we have processed the tax return you filed, and now you owe us a balance. And it's going to tell you how you can take care of that balance. So going over this letter, on page 1 in the right-hand corner, we have the reference information. So it's telling you the name of the notice, the tax year the notice is for, the date of the notice, the last 4 of your tax identification number, your caller ID number, just in case you need to call them and ask questions, and it's giving you where to go if you need more information on the CP14 notice. As we scroll down page 1, we get our amount due date. So this payment of $717.41 is due by June 23rd. It breaks down what you owe, your billing summary, the tax you owe when you file the tax return, any payments or credits that were applied to this balance. So these payments and credits would be the money or taxes withheld from your paycheck, any estimated tax payments, and any refundable or non-refundable credits applied. And then we have the penalties and interest that were assessed at this time, which is $706 and $4.35, bringing our total owed to $717.41. If we scroll down to page 2, it's first telling you what you need to do right now. You need to make some kind of payment, okay? And you can do that online with this address here, or if you want to mail in a check or money order, you can use this voucher here, put how much you're going to pay. Hopefully you're paying the whole balance. It already has the address there and who to make it payable to for mailing it in. Now, the next section says, if you cannot pay this in full, you do have options, and it's going to go over the options you have. Okay. So the first option is to pay over time through either a short-term or long-term payment arrangement. If you can't pay it in full, if you're never going to be able to pay it in full, and you want to try to settle the debt, you may qualify for an offer and compromise. And if you are going through financial hardships right now where you just can't even, you can barely pay your bills, then you may qualify for a temporary delay of collection. And I showed you guys how to do all of this or apply for all of this in the video, the second video of this series. So go back and take a look at that video. If you need any kind of additional help, you can always get assistance online at irs.gov/help, or you can call their toll-free number. Page 3 is just going to let you know that as a taxpayer, you have rights. And it's going to give you the sources to reach out to get additional help. Page 4 is going to break down the penalties that were assessed. So our first penalty was the failure to pay penalty because we did not pay the full balance on April 15th. I know my initial balance was like $1,207 or something like that. And then we paid, it was $1,206. We paid $500, which I showed you how to do in another video. So it left a balance of $706, and they applied my penalty to that unpaid balance. And then they applied interest as well to that unpaid balance. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any additional questions on the CP14 notice, please drop them in the comment section below. And if you need any personal assistance with this, be sure to book a consultation.